Today we'll discuss the classical sources of Mohammedan law. So these classical sources of Mohammedan law is also considered as the fundamental and primary source of Mohammedan law. The very primary or fundamental or classical sources of Mohammedan law are from four sources. One is Quran, the second one is Sunnah and Ahadith, and the third one is Ijma, and the fourth one is the Qiyas. So we'll now discuss how Quran is one of the classical and primary sources of Mohammedan law or the Muslim law. The Quran consists around 6,000 verses, and out of which 200 verses deals with the rules and principles of law, and out of those 200 verses, only 80 verses deals with family law. And this was compiled by Imam Osman. And our second source is the Sunnah and Ahadith. So Sunnah and Ahadith consist the rule of law, and that from Ijtihad, which is considered as independent reasoning, and also taqlid, imitation. And our third source is Ijma, which is otherwise means that the consensus opinion of the learned. And about Ijma, the Sunnis have their separate opinions, so also the Shias. So among the Sunnis, the first school, Hanifa school, its importance was given on Istihasan, which deals with equity, and the second school, which deals about the Sunnis, is of Malik, who insist on istihasal, that means public welfare. And Hanbal, the third most prominent school of Sunnis, rejected both istihasan, equity, of Hanifa and also of Malik's istihasla, public welfare. Instead of that, Hanbal traced on usul, the root, or the mustahids, those jurists, and their opinion. And after all, the fourth prominent Sunni was Imam Shafi, who gave importance on muslahat, public welfare, and also on istidlal, the principle of logical deduction. But the Shias, the other sect or the other school of Islamic law, they rejected all these Sunni principles or rule of law like equity, istihasan, istilaha, public welfare, so also usul or mustahids, even Imam Shafi's muslahat, public welfare, and istidlal, principle of logical deduction. Instead, they emphasize that ijma, that which was derived from the household of the Prophet or his companions or his successors or successors are the real root of Islamic or Mohammedan law. And the fourth source of classical source of Mohammedan law or the ancient source of Mohammedan law is Qiyas. And Qiyas exactly means reasoning, analogy, or measurement. So, we found that these are the four different kinds of classical or ancient or traditional sources of Mohammedan law or Muslim law. So, Quran, Sunnah, and Ahadith or Ijma and Qiyas are the fundamental or the primary sources of Islamic law or Mohammedan law. So, in detail about the sources regarding Quran, Sunnahs and Hadiths or Ijmas or Qiyas, we will discuss in our next videos.